Okay, hey there. Okay, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing the air filter on this 2019 Softail Slim. And we're going to go from here, from this guy, we're going to replace it, right, to this guy right here. Okay, I got everything laid out, left to right. And it's going to be a fairly simple project. Okay, and for the first portion of the or first phase of this project, right? These are some of the tools I'm going to use. So let's get at it. It's going to be a fun little project. First step, so I'm going to take a, I believe this is 8mm. I'm just going to remove this big ass bolt. Okay. This comes out. Oh, this comes out. There's a washer in there. Okay, it's okay. Okay, that's out. Just gonna place it over here. Okay, next we're gonna remove these 3 bolts right here, and this is 5/32. Okay. Okay, that's out. Good to go. Remove these things first. Okay, so I'm just going to take my little pin, take this out, and just pry it out. Okay, here we go. So this is basically what it looks like. I just want to show you guys. Here we go. This came out of here, so I got do the second one. Okay, good. That came out. I'm not sure if I have to remove these guys, but you know what? I will. I have it right here.
Quite some long bolts.
Okay, so that's off. Now I'm going to use my 7/16, and I'm going to remove both of these puppies. One. So basically, this is what the bolt looks like. Here, one's out. Okay, so the filter is off. Okay. Okay. Boom. So, yeah, there was a little gasket right here, and this is what it looks like. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this a little bit here and here. That way, everything is nice and clean. Okay, and then we're going to start reassembling this guy right over there. It should be a nice little project. Okay, so everything is here is clean. There's no gasket, no residue. Everything is good to go. So now we're going to go in the process of assembling this heavy breather Elite Air Cleaner. All right, let's do it. Is okay, we have this thing here. I don't know the proper names, but I'm going to try. Okay. We're going to take the cover, and the cover only fits one way. Okay. Just like this. And then we have these tiny little screws right here. And I already put a nope, this is Torx 20. Here we go. Torx 20. And we're going to put these screws in here. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not going tight, so first screw is in. Okay. I'm gonna put the second right here. Okay. Okay, so the second screw, now the third screw. Oh yeah. Okay, I just gotta use the ratchet. Okay. Okay, good. So they're calling it the Torx for these 3 screws between 42 and 53. Okay, I got my little Torx right. Okay, and I'm going to put 42. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, good. And this guy right here. Okay, good. Okay, so that's torqued. Good to go. What I'll say. Install square rings adhesives on the back plate. So what they're talking about, we're gonna install these white things, and they go in here, and I just gotta pry the adhesive, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. So this is where we're at right now. Okay, these things are in, 3 screws, everything's good. Okay, next, install gasket and back plate to throttle body. So we got to pry this guy off, and we're just gonna install it just like this. So that's where we are. Okay. Okay, and we will place this as best as we possibly can. See? Right there, perfect. Okay, so the gasket is in. Okay, so this is where so we got that done. Everything is good. So this is basically going to fit right in here, just like that. Okay, with these screws right over here, and I'm going to put some Loctite, and we'll put them on. Okay, so we have the throttle body. Okay. Okay, and okay, I'm just going to adjust this a little bit better. Okay, yeah, right there. Okay. Okay, this actually looks pretty good. Okay. I'm not going to torque them yet till I put these guys in. Okay, so next they want us to put these O-rings right in here. Okay. Just like that. One on each side. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to put these big monsters. They already have a Loctite in there. So I'm just going to go and screw this in. Okay, I got one. Put the second one in. And this is a T45. Okay, snug. Okay, good. And good. Okay, next we're going to be torquing these guys. So this torque right here for these guys is a 55 and 60 inch-pounds. I just put 55 and just gonna call it a day. Okay. Good. And good. Okay. Now we're going to torque these guys, and they're calling for 22 to 24 foot-pounds. So I just put 22. Okay. 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 We're good here. So this is basically where we are at, and this is what it looks like. All right, let's continue on. Okay, so continue on. Now we're going to grab this part, and we're going to put that gasket, which is needs to line up right about here, just like this. So let's do that. Okay. And this is good. Perfect. Okay, so we have the gasket on, and I think it's going to be easier if we put the filter on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the cover, fit it right here like this. Okay. Okay, and this goes like that. Like this. Okay. Yep, perfect. And I'm just going to quickly insert these screws in here. Okay. Okay, and we have one long one. Where is it? Okay, it's coming down here. Okay, I'm just gonna go and put it in like this. I just have to squeeze the filter a little bit. Oh yeah, she's going in. Okay, so I got it right here. Just tightening it up. Okay, that's snug. Okay, I'm gonna go on this side, tighten these guys up. Okay, that's fairly tight. Okay, good. All right, so basically this is what we have right here right now. And now I'm just gonna go up here, and final step. Okay, so I have my bolt. I'm gonna put it right through. Okay, right there. Just catch it. Okay. find the second one. Okay. Okay. And the third bolt underneath here. Okay. Okay, good. Good, and good over here. Okay, so what they're calling for these 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, 66 and 70 inch-pounds. Okay, I'll just put in 66 and then we'll go from there. Okay. Okay, good. Good. And last one. Okay, good. Okay, and then I'm also gonna torque these guys, 1, 2, and the one from the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna tighten these guys up between 18 and 24 inch-pounds, and I just set it for 18. Okay, good. Good. Okay, we're good to go. So basically this is what it looks like. It actually came out pretty good. Fast and furious. Looks better. A lot better than this guy right over here. Okay, so the project is complete on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. And this is the end result. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, this is looking good. Yep, for sure. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please share and like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.